And we cut across to breaking news coming in. Punjab Congress President Navjot Singh Sidhu has met with Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh for the first time since he has taken over. Navjot Singh Sidhu has sought action on pending cases and has also written a letter to the Punjab Chief Minister mentioning an 18-point agenda to be fulfilled by the Punjab government before the 2022 polls. Cutting across to Amandeep, who's picking up more details on the same. Amandeep, firstly explain to us the details of this letter. What are the points that Sidhu is mentioning and what is Captain's view on it?
Well, Swesha, this is the first meeting between Captain Amrinder Singh, Punjab Chief Minister and PPCC President Navjot Singh Sidhu. A letter that was written from Navjot Singh Sidhu to Captain Amrinder Singh mentions 5 major points out of 18-point agenda. And those 5 points are, number one is sacrilege cases, justice. Just because there are certain cases, they are still pending and investigation is on and no justice has been delivered into that cases. First point was mentioned, the sacrilege cases, justice. And second point is justice in the drugs cases. In fact, that report was pending when the High Court and did not made it public just because there are certain Akali leaders who were being accused in that report. And second point, Navjot Singh Sidhu mentions that the justice is still demanded and awaited in the drugs trafficking case. And third point is that the Punjab government has to do with the new agriculture laws that was constituted by the union government. And in fact, Punjab government is yet to put down that agriculture laws. Fourth point is about the unemployment of the teachers, linemen, electricity departments and certain other departments that are still pending, and they are continuously protesting against the Punjab government with their own demands. And fifth point was about that power project agreements. And in fact, Navjot Singh Sidhu mentioned that Punjab government supposed to cancel that PPA against the electricity so that the people should get the electricity at the cheapest rate. Out of 18-point agenda, Swesha, 5 points has been mentioned in the first letter. And in fact, if I tell you the mood about the meeting, this was a very formal meeting between Captain Amrinder Singh and Navjot Singh Sidhu. Nothing has been discussed beyond these lines. And even Navjot Singh Sidhu remained very much formal. And even in reply, Captain Amrinder Singh make everything clear to Navjot Singh Sidhu that in last 4.5 years, everything has been done. The promises made by the Congress party before 2017 elections, every promise already met, and investigation is already underway into that cases that were mentioned in the letter. And in fact, Captain in reply made it clear to Navjot Singh Sidhu each and every aspect of his concern, and in fact reply that the coordination should go on so that at least Congress party should have a smooth walk before 2022 elections in Punjab. Yes, Swesha.
All right, Amandeep, many thanks for those details.